Good morning. Come with me to do some errands. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Lenlen. If you're not new, welcome back. Today we're gonna run some errands. Today is Monday, October 23rd. I'm going to check the post office for my iPad case. I have to take his information to get notarized so I could get my check from when the guy hit me in the back of my car. I'm gonna drop that off to the insurance company, and I think that's it for me for the day. And then I have class at 6 o'clock, of course. Basically that's it. I have my video. I ain't post my video yet. I'm gonna post it later today. It was supposed to be posted yesterday. I had to post my videos Saturdays or Sundays because it's the weekend. I was so cross. I was pissed off. I was livid, okay? I had some nice footage from me on the beach, and I had some nice footage of me in class. My SD card got corrupted. I don't know how, I don't know why, I don't know when. But I was using it like the night before, but it got corrupted, and I was cross because I couldn't use the footage. I got my iPad case. So we're gonna open it in a minute. We're just leaving the post office. Just take a minute to admire my skin. Like look at my skin. I look beautiful. Okay, period. And if anybody tell me I'm ugly, they hating. That's it.
Big hate. Yeah.
I have a hater next to me.
That's how I feel every time I wake up.
So I have to go back to the insurance company and get another paper because the woman stated that I could have signed it because he wasn't here, and now the notary telling me that I have to get another paper to get him to sign it. Like I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted by a dead battery. I have to go to Guardian and get another paper for he to sign it. So we heading to Guardian now so we could do that, and then we're gonna head back up here so we could get it notarized. I just come out of Guardian Insurance, and the one I went to, they don't have the printed version of what I needed. She had to call another office and have them email it over for her to print it for me. But I went in there for a long time because I was getting ready to go inside and look for me. You make me wanna run. Happy dancing like a jump. Run. Go. Oh my God, this song is so sweet. Stay right next to me. Need some careless night. Ride it off and I give me the lights, yeah. I'm like I said, for stop the night. Do it everything we like it, just to read in my mind. When we all try it now, maybe love me never let you go. When too bad for you, I know. Okay, so I can just open my case while I here, because we're gonna be on the road for a minute. Like a mini little laptop, guys. This is my case, y'all. It's looking like a MacBook. It's giving MacBook energy, you know. It also have a light up keyboard, but ain't on yet. But yeah, check. So we got food. We had to end up getting McDonald's. And I don't get these mighty wings, but my mighty wing hard as hell today. Let me show you how my mighty wing look. Hard as hell. Like them thing hard, man. I can't even enjoy my mighty wings because they're fucking hard. Hey, hey, hey. Just it's gonna drive you crazy. Like dum 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 dum. I'm waiting for the elevator. Look at this big ass bag, dude. This shit heavy. This shit's really heavy. That's my big bag. I don't want to put it much. Most of the time it'll be in class, it'll stay in there, so I don't really bother going with it up and down the place. But since we were doing braiding and we were back and forth between two classes, I just took it home so I could practice braiding at home as well. Say hi. What's your name? And who are you?
I'm me.
And who are you?
I'm Mom.
Who she look like? I think I raised her because this is my child. She look like me, right? She look like me, right? This is my daughter. Hi guys, so Kasai is here with his grandmother getting a secret present. I don't know what more presents he need when I hear. Like, I'm the present. I am his gift. Period, point blank. Let him to know I am the gift. Oh, it's over.
Why do you keep insisting to see her?
It's the next day and my power been out since 4 a.m. Okay, so I was vlogging this morning and my battery died on my camera and I was like, you see me vlogging, right? But anyway, basically I was saying my power been out since 4, but it actually been out since 2. I ain't getting no type of rest. Like, I barely sleep. My phone been dead. My camera died on me. My iPad is the only thing that had power, but you don't have no internet on it. Not no more, at least they took it off. Power been gone from 2 and it been gone when I leave the house, which was 8 something to go to work for 9. And I was still late for work because I wake up late, because my alarm didn't go up, because my phone been dead. So it's like, I don't know, my son. It really bothering me because we'll go through this a lot. Like, the power to be going out a lot, and it's really bad. But the thing is with it though, what pissed me off is because usually I don't get like messages that says this is why the power off and this is where the power off and this is how long it gonna be off. I ain't got no message, I ain't got no email, I ain't got no call, I ain't got no Facebook post, I ain't got no nothing. It just off. And I was vlogging this morning to tell her, you know, shit, my camera shut off on me. I'm like, damn, now I really have nothing to vlog on. But yeah, so I here at work now and let me go downstairs because I am a little late. I was a couple minutes late, but not too late. But I can go downstairs so they see that I hate. But yeah, I just thought I should tell you this is what's going on. Okay, y'all. I try and keep you in loop of what I've been doing today and yesterday. Well, like I tell you, my power been off this morning. I changed my pants for class, by the way. But yeah, my power been off this morning and I was like cross because it's like Why you gotta be off, dog? And it's off from 2 o'clock. So my AC, I hear my AC turn off and I know what crash, but like when up there gets hot, like in the apartment, when it get hot, okay? So bathe in cold water. Anyway, I don't think I can judge me because I don't think I care. But like, I just saying, it's just frustrating, you know? My hair ain't combed, so I really don't want to take off the hat, but I'm gonna take it off when I get in class. Hey babies, I'm home now. My current look like it on because my phone automatically connects to the Wi-Fi. But look who been traveling on the car since I finished class. Yes, Sammy. That's my good luck, I guess, because he's been on my car since I literally finished class. Like, I went to pick up my boyfriend, and then he was like, look who on top of the car, and he was on top of the car, so yeah, man, that's my dog, man. Yeah, cuz you check out the lighting real quick. We had a long day at work, and we're tired, so I'm gonna go upstairs. I see, I gave you my vlog. Yeah. Hey guys, so I actually want to do a vision board and like a printout version of a vision board and put it on my closet door, to be honest. And then I want to like write down my to-dos and all the trips and all the bills and everything down, so we can have like the organization in, at least in that aspect. I don't know why cause I phone so loud, but you know, it's whatever. But anyway, I really feel like doing them because I feel like it'll help me stay on track, especially to go where I want to go or to be where I want to be. I feel like it'll help me. Hi mama, say hi. She's not with it. Good morning. Today's Thursday, October 26th. I was just like dropping my boyfriend to work. I was thinking to start like listening to some gospel music for a couple minutes, so an hour a day or something like that. Mainly because I feel like when I listen to the gospel music, it'll be like a feeling good for the rest of the day. And if not, then you know you have some kind of reassurance that somebody is there for you, you know. I think I will make a smoothie because it's 7:20 right now. I gotta go walk for 9 and I gotta catch the 8:45 shuttle. So that's what I think I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna go upstairs and just make the smoothie, get something to eat, and start to get ready for work and just go straight to work because
Body, crib, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love.
I feel like we shouldn't have to walk to live, man. You see dogs walking? You see cats walking? You see gorillas walking? No. Like, I'm sick of it. I don't see we got paid for everything. My gosh, man. Okay. And I gotta catch a shuttle in 10 minutes.
In the darkest of nights, the memories we made, the rain. There's no risk that I won't take, the pain, just to see
So this is the cruise ship leaving from our sister resort, Bowie House, and the Westin is up there. But anyway, this is the Carnival celebration again. They come in every week, once a week. So here we go.
You see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down out like last week. Tell me, where have you been? Yeah, came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man.
So I read a post on Facebook yesterday, and basically it has said that more than half of Gen Z wants to be social media influencers. So I just wanted to talk about that for a quick minute. If jobs were treating you right, and if you were getting paid correctly, especially with this inflation going on, it pays better. Because why would we want to do slavery work for $2.50 an hour? Period. Let us be social media influencers in peace. Telling us about, oh, we ain't gonna never move out to our parent house, we ain't gonna never make this, and we ain't gonna never be able to file taxes and this and that. Mind your business. Mind your business. It is annoying, bro. But it's okay. People gonna say what they want. At the end of the day, they're gonna just be jealous humans.
I'm just a fan. You don't hold right. Don't hold no right. Yeah. Pretty ass villain nigga with a sick ass mouth and a sick ass flow.
Okay, guys. I got my green now. It's 8:40.
For the boy right now, goddamn, for the time with a year. We are what them young boys feel. I kill, never be killed, that's real, no lie. You can tell it from my peers right now. Don't you wanna fuck me now? Don't you wanna love me down? Girl, you can't tie me down like Ray J said, but no, I'm down. Freaking nigga, show me something. Nigga like you owe me something. Pushing on a pillow like a button, can't pull time for your content. Still getting rowdy in the function. Bitches on my dick like it's nothing. Everywhere I go now, always got shit jumping.
Nice to meet. Hey, who you be? Peace, that's our peace. Gotta clap into this beat. She invited to her.
Ew. I'm gonna leave. When I reach 5,000 subscribers on YouTube, I'm gonna upgrade my camera to a Sony ZV1F because I want that one. That's the one I initially wanted. So I'm gonna get that, and I'm manifesting it. 5,000 subscribers, I'm gonna get it. So the weather is looking like rain today. I look outside. It's raining. So it's safe for the week that is supposed to be a week full of rain. Last night when I checked the weather, it was 70% chance rain today, and like 75, 70, 70, 40 for the rest of the week. So we'll see how this week goes. I love the rain. Absolutely love the rain. I just don't like to rain. I don't like it to rain when I walk in, because I walk in outside. Why would you want to rain on the outside? So cruise ship season is officially beginning again. As I can see, I see more and more cruise ships in my videos. The cruise ships are coming back. High season is usually like starting in the end of October, more into November, into like May, and then it'll slow down like drastically during June, July, August, and September. So I'm recording this off of my phone. I could be a news reporter going live at St. Thomas, U.S. Virgin Islands. This is the weather that we're having today. This is the weather that we're having for real. Anyway, you have the cruise ship coming, but you can't really see from here. But like, oh wait, there you are. We have the cruise ship here. That's the Carnival Dream in this weather taking off. But yeah, this is it going on today. Y'all, the weather is bad, okay? Like real bad. The traffic is even worse. Like, I don't understand why the traffic is so bad. Like, where the hell are you trying to go in the rain? I trying to go the hell home. You know what I mean? In the parking lot? No, because I'm waiting for my boyfriend to finish. To be honest, I don't know why he's still at work, because the pool has to close when lightning is shown, because there's metal in. Ah, you can hear that rain. So it is still raining. I got Kasai. We are currently in the Wendy's line because we love that chicken wrap. We love that chicken wrap so much. I love chicken wraps. I love Caesar salads. I love Caesar chicken wraps. I love, oh my god, chef's kiss. Anyway, we've been in the line for a good 10 minutes now, and I here editing a thumbnail. As you can see, I ain't got nothing done as yet. I here editing a thumbnail that I ain't get done nothing as yet. It's just blank, but that's actually for this video, so we gonna see how this thumbnail gonna come out, because I didn't really do much this week, but you know, vibe and relax and work. So I don't like lightning at all. This is a secret between me and you. I do not like lightning at all. Like, I cannot stand it. I love thunder, but I can't stand lightning. No. Now he calling me weird because I like thunder.
What if one day you walk in and just step on a frog?
Oh, hell no.
You've got some vacation time. You and your girlfriend, too bad mind. Bad.
So are you morning? I fall right to sleep after I eat. Because when I tell you nigga to kick in after I eat, I wake up pretty early, I ain't gonna lie. I was scrolling on my phone, and then I just start to get ready for work, and then but outside is really windy, it's really rainy. The weather is not good, honestly, but we still gotta go walk, so we'll see. Ah, you see the fog like on the clouds? That's literally the weather right now. See all over there? You can see like the fog in the clouds. The water is rough, okay? Like when you see it chopping up on the water like that, on the water like that, it's rough. Look at the waves. Look at the waves.
Fast from a day job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I've been enough of petty dudes. I've had enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better today than yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day.
Okay, so this is the finishing result. I think I should have used a lighter brown for the face. I accidentally drew pink on the shoes instead of purple, so I ended up just improvising. Overall, I think it's pretty cute. So, yeah. And you the reason I don't trust bitches. I still set the table for two. Every time but I know what I need. Oh, but I need your reminder every time I start to close the door. And you know, I know. Today is Saturday, October 28th. I just finished work at 4:30. Praise the Lord. Tonight my sister wants to go to Agave because her birthday was last week Saturday, but it was supposed to rain. I was supposed to have a storm last week, like I tell her. It never happened. She wants to go tonight, so but she wants us to wear pink. So I head by the mall to see if I can find something pink for us to, for me and Kasai to wear. I'm gonna go in the store, gotta overcome the social anxiety and start vlogging in public. I'm so excited. I ain't gonna even lie to you. I'm excited. So I'm about to go in the store and show you. I think I'm gonna go in rainbow, go in asphalt to see if I can get here a pink shirt. So yeah, let's go. My sister had get like some Crocs and she couldn't take them back and they don't fit her. So I took them. So now I have some red Crocs. Do not touch or swing on the fucking people on pole, okay? But anyway, we just want a pink shirt. Yeah. A pink dress or something. Pink. She likes pink. I think her favorite color is pink. So maybe that's why she said to wear pink. But all these clothes look old. Like all these clothes look old. Like for old people. Oh, that's cute. I'd wear that. Let me see if I can get somebody to reach that shit for me. Cause I usually don't have a pole or something to like. This dress up here. It's cute. Maybe. I cannot find anything I like as pink in here. I wonder if Miriam might have something pink and yellow. This is a shirt I wear for like the party in St. John. I don't know. Ugh. I basically have these pants already. Let me pull it off the rack. I have these pants. So I just try and find a pink shirt to match. And the only pink shirt I could find to match is the one that's in my hand. And this is a simple shirt, like literally. Bright as hell, bro. I can look like Pepto-Bismol, man. But this is pink. I like this, but I don't think so. This shirt. I don't know if this is not really pink, it's more like a fuchsia. But I don't know if I want that one. Bro, I'm getting annoyed. I'm getting so annoyed. Oh, fucking child. Dog, what a I can fuck with this. It's a large. It's medium. I think I'm gonna get it all around. See, I can get this. Yeah, this could work for me. Now I'm going to try to get like a bag, like a black bag or something, because I don't really have any purses. I don't know where any of my purses went. I had like a lot and I don't know where none of them is, so we're gonna get some purses. Let me go look. With the bow are you? I get asked for how much for it and the black one that's in the back because I really like it. So we're gonna see how much it's for. Oh, ring light. Look. I think it'll last for like 2 minutes. Promise you. Oh, I'm dropping shit. Oh god. Phone cases. Anyway. Oh, okay. I just watched this man run a red light. Like literally just run a red light in the middle of a busy ass intersection and he almost get hit. I was just like, people is so bold. Like, why are you rushing on this 32 square mile island? Like, why? You could have just friggin' wait. Like, damn, bruh.
So quick, then I brace my blick and I don't miss. I let off 2 shots, I hit him in his shit. Now bump it quick, what you
Don't wanna stay in days like this. We driving with the screens.
Hey guys, I'm home now. So here what? So I'm gonna have to vlog this, like get ready with me real quick because I gotta go. Hey, what are you doing? Anyway, I got a quick shower. I'm gonna look for Kasai stuff first, and then I'm gonna take a quick shower, and then I'm going to get ready, just do my eyebrows, probably some lip gloss, and something with his hair. I ain't too sure, but it's growing. But I'm gonna get ready quick, so see how you after I bathe. Hey, how you? Is there anything on my face? Let me not even. So I can just get ready and then come back and do my eyebrows. Like put on my outfit and come back.
From a day job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I've been enough of petty dudes. I've had enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better day than yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. All I got is these broken clocks. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love and still love and still love and still love, still love, still love and still love and still love. Nothing but love for you. Nothing but love. Nothing but love. All that I got is in pages. Not gonna lie. Sorry, I'm faded. Think I forgot. You love me. You love me. Gotta shift at 10 a.m. Gotta dip at 10 p.m. Gotta get that cash. Won't get past the lunch break. I ain't had a smoke break in about 2 days. Don't wait. Been about 3 years since I dated you. Why you still talking about me like we together? I moved on for the better.
I don't really like how like they say I'm medium and I don't wear a medium, but I feeling like I should have got a large because that pissing me off now, man. Because I spend money on this fuck. Anyway, let me leave. It's 7:40. Oh, well, yeah, basically 7:40. So it's time for me to go. The reservation was for 7:30, but I told her like we're gonna end up being late anyway because I don't finish work until 8. So I'm gonna go for him. So I have his shirt in the car and everything. So we'll see which pants and which shirt he chooses to wear because I did get the both of them.
Leo dance all up on me haters. Me know what you crowd me with the people's place. So sit tight like my tights and fat like my vines. Whole man so tight boy shade pow. Come when me sing, but I'm up me a real top girl logo. So sit tight like my tights, so tight boy shade pow. Come when me sing, you hot like a chimney. Making on my prime time, making them worst news. Them never them badness half curfew. Surgery that I won't allow me to rust. And I'm a pussy cocky going on me ass.
Chicken bowl, cilantro lime rice, cheddar jack cheese, pico de gallo, and salad. Hey guys, this is a strawberry passion fruit. Margarita. Of course, y'all know. Pie. Pie can't drive you on big. Get drunk.
Thank you for wanting a verse from me. Apologies for the wait, sometimes it's hard to get the distractions up off you. For enough time to jot your thoughts, but fuck it, this morning I got to. I'm thinking about you. I heard you just had you another little baby. Congratulations. I hope you got through it with no complications. I find it amazing the way that you tell your kids the biz, the fame, the bitches that's hating. They sit around waiting for you to fall off like the album I'm making. But I hope that you taking a little time for yourself. Still in a moment or two to unwind between.
Okay, y'all, I'm home now. I'm about to just get undressed, take off my eyebrows and my whatever makeup I have on my face, and then I'm gonna go to sleep. Okay, so I want to thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. See you guys in the next vlog. Bye.